Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Katie. So today I just got a package in the mail and it is the Jeffree Star 4G palette. So I opened it up. I haven't actually opened it out of everything yet. Just check the paper. Did you know people sell the paper? Kind of weird. There's the mini. And here is the big one. I love me some nudes. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Love it. And then let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, those are pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay, so we're gonna play with that today, and let's get into tutorial. I think I'm gonna go into Versatile, which is this shade right here. Yes, and using my Morphine Jaclyn Hill JH33 fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna put that into my crease. I'm gonna go into Invitation Only, which is this shade right there. And I'm going to use the Sigma Detail Diffused Crease Brush, the E33, and put that right into my crease, but not blending up nearly as far as the Versatile shade. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. I mean, this palette isn't revolutionary or anything, like, it's a nude palette. But what I like about it is that there's every nude that you could ever want in one palette. Okay, the next shade I'm going to use is Orgy. It's this dark brown shade here. And I'm going to use my Sigma Blending E36 brush and put that in the outer corner. I'm just going to take a kind of fluffy packing brush. This one don't have a name. Oh, I guess it does. Coastal Scents BRC NO2. I'm just going to take Silk Robe. And I'm going to put that on my brow bone. So hard to pick. Alright, we're going to definitely use Glass Wet, which is that shade right there in the inner corner. But I don't know what to use. I think I'm going to use Champagne Drip. Kind of doing a more bridal kind of look. I'm going to use my finger for this. Oh, it's super soft. I'm going to go in with the Morphe E18. It's kind of like a pencil kind of blending brush to smoke out the lash line. I'm going to use that Invitation Only shade. And then I'm going to take this Morphe I don't know what do you call this? It's like it's not an angled brush, it's like a flat angled brush that I like to use to stipple the darker shade into my lower lash line. And we're going to use Orgy, the darkest shade that we used in the outer corner earlier, and I'm stippling it in the outer edge over here. Okay. So I think I'm gonna go off camera and do my liner and my lashes, and then I'll be back to show you the finished results. Okay, so this is the finished look. I didn't put false eyelashes on because I'm on call for my job, so wearing lashes is kind of a little much. But I used the KVD Tattoo Liner in Trooper Black for the liner. I also used the stippling brush that I used earlier that I used from my lower lash line. But I used the shade Glory Hole to kind of smoke out my winged liner. And then I had put, for the mini orgy palette, I put Glass Silhouette in the inner corner. It'll focus. There it is. I used Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. And then I lined my lips with Oak lip pencil, and then I applied this Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss. And I don't know what shade this is. Does it not say? Oh, Rose Quartz Seashell. I don't know if that's still available at Sephora or not. So this is what it looks like. I really like it. I love me a nude smoky eye. Alright, so if you guys like this tutorial, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you again really soon. Bye.